Now from Ibadan, we move to Abuja. The trial of Biafra nation agitator Nnamdi Kanu has resumed at the Federal High Court in Abuja. Now, at the commencement of today's proceedings, Justice James Omotosho heard arguments on an application seeking to transfer Kanu to the National Hospital for medical treatment. We're now joined by our correspondent, Joshua Imarayi, for more update on the case. Joshua, good morning. Thank you very much for joining us. Rather good afternoon. It is 12 report. Please, what's the situation with the application filed by Kanu's lawyers, please?
Good afternoon to you, Martin. Well, the counsel representative Nnamdi Kanu actually argued that Kanu is terribly sick and is urgent need of medical attention. He also told the court that an intense examination has been conducted in one of the best medical laboratories in Abuja, and that a renowned professor of law, a professor of medicine, that is the person of Martin Agaji, was also in the know and also submitted a report to attest to the fact that Nnamdi Kanu is also sick. We, however, prayed the court that the court should allow Nnamdi Kanu to take treatment in the National Hospital here in Abuja.
I'm wondering what the reaction was like by the prosecution team over the application that was filed.
That's the person of Abuja who actually argued the application. He reacted negatively to the application, saying that this is another attempt of Kanu invading the law. And for a fact, he says that the federal government has been taking good care of Nnamdi Kanu ever since he has been in the custody of the DSS, and that the DSS has adequate equipment and facilities to take care of Nnamdi Kanu. He also says that Nnamdi Kanu has already boasted in the past that he has followers that if the followers of this entire situation and he be released to take his treatment in the National Hospital, his followers will break him out and is going to evade arrest, and he subsequently is going to escape. So he told the court that already the Attorney General has constituted a team, particularly of professionals from the Nigerian Medical Association, to evaluate Kanu's health and give back a report.
The judge given any rulings yet?
Of course. The judge declined the request that Nnamdi Kanu should be taken to the National Hospital here in Abuja. The judge also went forward to say that he ordered that a medical team, particularly 8 to 10 persons, with representatives from the Nigerian Medical Association, as well as the chief medical officer of the National Hospital in Abuja, be made as part of that committee. And the job of that committee is to evaluate Kanu's health to see if truly Kanu is truly sick, and to evaluate the medical facility in the DSS headquarters to see if Kanu is sick and that facility is adequate to take care of Nnamdi Kanu. And he went further that to say that the panel should report to the court 8 days from now as regards their findings, and the findings should be signed by the president of the committee and secretary to the committee.
Joshua Imarayi, thank you very much for bringing us details on that report. We'll continue to follow you as you follow that report. Thank you.